Hello, so welcome back. So till now we have understood about the different type of containers that are offered by Elementor on its canvas. We also have gone through the basic elements, the general elements, and the site elements that are offered by Elementor. Now in this video, let's look at the link in bio elements and try to understand how to edit them and where you can use them. Are you ready? Let's go. Alright, so what are the link in bio elements? These are very small elements that you can use as a single page website. So if you want to add a link in your Instagram bio, right? And when somebody clicks on it, they should just see a small single page. So that is where you can use this link in bio element. Now on that small page, you just have your photo, your name, few links that are important for your customers, and that's all you require. So the link in bio elements can be used to create that page with just that one element. So I'll just show you. Now this is the minimalist link in bio element. All you see here is a place to add a photo, the name, some kind of a subtitle, some text, few social links, and then some buttons to access other services. So this kind of a small link in bio page can be created using this element. Now, just like any other element on Elementor, you can add or remove or modify the content from the content tab. So the image style can be profile or cover, right? You can upload the image from here. The position of the image can be decided from here. Now, the bio items like what is the heading can be changed from here. The tagline can be changed from here. All the other text can be changed, the description text. You can change the icons and add links to it from here. And then the click to action buttons can be configured from here. So you can just change the text of the button. You can change the URLs of the button. So all of this is possible from here. You can change the design, basically the size of the image, the shape of the image, the styling of the bio, the color, typography, similarly the size and color of the icons, the size and color of the click-through buttons, and basically the box can have an image in the background, or do you want some kind of a color in the background? Do you want an overlay? So all of this can be managed from the style tab. And then the advanced options like margins and paddings can be managed from here. So this is a basic minimalist link in bio element. Now the next one is the classic link in bio element, which has, let's click on edit that. Now here you have an image that you can put in the background in addition to the profile image that you can upload from here. Then again, the bio settings can be done from here, heading, the tagline, the description, the click-through buttons and their links, the icons. So these are just different variations of the link in bio elements. So you can choose the one that best suits your requirement. This is the third one, which has the image here. It doesn't have the background image. It just has the heading, the text, the description, some icons, and then these, instead of having these plain buttons, it has images for each one of these options, which you can decide what to use there. The next one is just a link element. Let's do one thing. Let's make this container overflow so that we are able to see it properly. Yeah. So this one is again different because it has the profile image over here, and then there is a background that has its own image, the bio, the tagline, the description, the CTA options, the icon. So more or less the items are similar in all of them, just slight variations of each other. Now this is the services one, where you can see a big image at the top, then the bio, heading, the tagline, slight description that can be added under here, right? The icons and the CTA buttons with images for them. And the last one, not the last one, second to last one, is the portfolio element. Now this again has an image over here, then the bio, the tagline, the description, icons, and only images. So these images can have links inside them. So instead of having buttons, they have given images with links in this particular template. And then the last one, which is the business card. So here it has a big image, cover image, and I don't see a profile image, but they have given an option to upload it. Let's see. Let's upload one image here. Okay, so the profile image is over here, and then there is a big background image that should be in the background. So let's maybe use this one. Okay, I see. So this is the background image, and on top of it there is a small profile image, then the heading, the tagline. You can add a little bit of a small heading and some description at the bottom. There is a button to download resume. Okay, so you can give the link to a file to download from here. Icons with their links from here. Say for example, for telephone you can add your number here. For email you can provide an email ID. For WhatsApp you can give a number. For Instagram, the link to your Instagram page. So most of it is self-explanatory. So you can easily play with these elements and understand how to use them. So just like I did with this particular one, right? That's all about the link in bio elements. And I hope you were able to get some idea about these elements. And I'll see you in the next one with the next batch of elements. Have a nice day.